Bentgo registered trademark Buddy's reusable ice packs offer a practical and innovative solution for keeping food fresh and cool. Designed with a unicorn theme, these ice packs are not only functional, but also visually appealing to children and adults alike. Made from durable plastic, these ice packs are built to withstand the rigors of everyday use. The high-quality material ensures that they are long-lasting and will not leak or break easily. This is particularly important for parents who want a reliable and safe option for their children's lunchboxes. One of the standout features of the Bentgo registered trademark Buddy's reusable ice packs is their freezer-safe capability. This means that they can be safely stored in the freezer overnight and be ready for use the next day. The ice packs efficiently retain the cold temperature and effectively keep food cool throughout the day, providing peace of mind for parents concerned about food safety. With a capacity of 4.2 ounces, these ice packs are perfectly sized.